Now, sometimes you may encounter difficult trinomials that are just very hard to factor. Consider this one. How would you factor 12x squared plus 243x minus 189? How would you do it? We know that we need to multiply the first or the leading coefficient by the constant term. 12 times 189 is negative 2,268. We need to find two numbers that multiply to negative 2268 but add to 243. And as you can see, it's going to take a long time to do that. Fortunately, there is another easier way that we can use to factor difficult trinomials, and that is the quadratic equation. Let me show you. So we know that b is 243. B squared, that's 243 squared, which is 59,049, minus 4 times a is 12, c is negative 189. So this is a, b, and c, all divided by 2a, or 2 times 12, which is 24. So what we now have is negative 243 plus or minus square root 59049. And then let's multiply negative 4 times 12, that's negative 48. And then negative 48 times negative 189, that's going to be positive 9,072, all divided by 24. 9,072 plus 59,049, that's 68,121. If we take the square root of that number, we're going to get 261. So now what we need to do is separate that fraction into two other fractions. So this is negative 243 plus 261 over 24, and it's also negative 243 minus 261 over 24. There's two separate answers. Now, negative 243 plus 261, that's 18. So we have 18 over 24. And we can reduce 18 over 24. We can divide both numbers by 6. So this is going to be 3 over 4. Negative 243 minus 261, that's negative 504. Both numbers are divisible by 4. 504 divided by 4 is negative 126. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Now 126 is divisible by 6. It turns out that it's 21. But it's going to be negative 21. So right now, what we have is that x is equal to positive 3 over 4, and x is equal to negative 21. On the equation in the right, I'm going to add 21 to both sides. If I do that, I'll get this: x plus 21 is equal to 0. This is one of the factors. Now for the other one, I'm going to move the 3/4 to the left side. So x minus 3 over 4 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So if we put it together, it's going to be 4x minus 3 times x plus 21. But notice that 4x times x is not 12x squared. But if we add a 3 to it, it does become 12x squared. So this is the factored equation right here. And let's prove it. And let's distribute 3 first. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9. And now let's FOIL 12x minus 9 and x plus 21. So 12x times x, that's just going to be 12x squared. Next we have 12x times 21, and that's positive 252x. Negative 9 times x is negative 9x, and negative 9 times 21, that's negative 189. So if we add the two middle terms together, 252 minus 9, that's going to give us the 243. So as we can see, this is indeed the factored expression. So that's how you can use the quadratic formula to basically reverse factor the problem if you ever have a difficult trinomial that you need to factor.